Hey all, I'm Nick with The Girl and the Fig. We are making our Valentine's Day special cocktail, the Lemon Rosemary Love Potion. So this is something that's near and dear to my heart. I love this cocktail, and it goes as such. We have 1.5 ounces of gin. We have half an ounce of simple syrup. We have 1 ounce of Ina Meyer lemon shrub. And then we have a little splash of cranberry. And then we'll get a little of the essence of the rosemary in there. Shake as such. And then here we go. And we will finish it with some bubbles. Lemon peel. Ooh. We are live, folks. Lemon peel, a little rosemary. And nice